sideways so I can see you sideways. Go. There we go.
Hopefully he gets a growth spurt.
Yeah, I think in like when he hits 9th grade, that's when he'll sprout. Body rocker. Don't look at the video. Look high. Make your face. Make your face. See, look at. There you go. Make your face, AJ. Make your face.
My feet hurt though. They got holes in them. They're so black.